In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project timeline on Monday.com. We'll walk through a simple, click-by-click method so you can start visualizing your projects and deadlines right away. Whether you're managing a small team or a bigger project with lots of moving parts, setting up a clear timeline will help everyone stay on the same page. First, make sure you're in your main table view inside your Monday.com board. This is the standard view where you see your items laid out in rows, with different columns for things like task names, owners, statuses, and so on. If you're not already there, use the view selector at the top of your board to switch to the main table view. Now, we're going to add the actual timeline column. Look across the top of your board where your column headers are listed. On the far right side, you'll see a plus icon. This is where you can add new columns to your board. Click that plus icon. A menu will appear with different column types you can add, such as status, date, people, and others. From this list, choose the option labeled Timeline. As soon as you select Timeline, a new column will appear on your board. This column is designed specifically to handle a range of dates, rather than just a single date. That's what makes it perfect for project planning, because most tasks don't just happen on one day, they happen over a period of time. Next, let's set the dates for your tasks. Pick any row where you have a task or item you want to schedule and click inside the empty cell under the new timeline column. When you click, a date picker will pop up. Here, you'll choose both a start date and an end date for that task. Start by selecting the day the work should begin. Then, select the day it should be finished. Once you've picked both dates, the cell will update to show the full range. On boards that use timeline or Gantt views, this range will appear as a bar stretching from your start date to your end date, giving you a clear visual of how long the task will take. Repeat this process for each task or item you want to include in your project plan. Over time, you'll build a complete timeline that makes it easy to see what's happening, when it's happening, and how everything fits together.